This is part 1 of 3 of the Loomis method, using the head as a reference. My reference for this photo is Henry Cavill. I created a circle to represent the base of the head, and then a circle to represent the side plane of the head. I draw a vertical line through center based on the angle of the head, and then a horizontal line from the top of the ear down towards the eyebrows, and across. Another horizontal line from the bottom of the ear down towards the nose and across the front of the face. I then create a line off the front of the circle down towards the front of the face, and to the chin. The next line I created was a line through the center of the face, down center of the eyes, center of the mouth, and to the middle of the chin. The jawline was created from the vertical line that comes through the center circle, down and across. You can see I represented where the eyes were with a line, where the mouth and the chin line. I next used the side line to represent the side plane of the face. This is part 2 of 3 of the Loomis method. I'm sketching right now with vine charcoal. Not something I typically sketch with unless I'm doing a real rough and I don't care about details. I'm going to first start out by sketching the circle for the base of the head, and then a circle to represent the side plane. Now this is based off that part 1 that I did where I was using Henry Cavill's face as a reference. I am looking at that off to the side and I'm trying to represent the same angle of lines. I put a line down off the center for the front of the face, and then a line from the top down to represent the center of the front face. They both end at where the chin would be. The next 2 lines I sketched right there were the top of the ear to the eyebrow line and the line from the bottom of the ear to the nose. Then I create the jaw line that comes off the center of that middle circle. These next few lines are just extras that I added in to help me represent where I know to draw things. In part 3, I'll try to add the face so you can see how to put it together. This is part 3 of the Loomis method, where I'm adding more details to that actual first Loomis sketch. You saw I showed the picture of Henry Cavill there that I used as a reference, and then using the lines that I sketched for Loomis method, I start to add some more of the details on the face. The main focus of this is using your Loomis lines to understand where you should put different parts of the face: the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the hairline, the ears, and all those individual pieces that create the different people that you're drawing. In a way, it's a little bit like graphing, where you put down lines so you can represent and understand where to put other objects, where to shade other objects and stuff like that. But it's doing it freehand, so it's kind of pushing yourself to a little bit of a limit to see what you can create just from looking at it. Use every line to help you to find the next line you draw. And practice. Remember, every drawing doesn't have to be perfect. Just help yourself get better all the time. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.